Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto or to use PayPal on Binance. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the short answer or the direct answer is that you cannot do a deposit from PayPal to Binance. So as you can see here, there is no PayPal as payment method in Binance. But there are some alternative ways that you can use, and there are two choices. Either you can use a Binance alternative, or you can simply get a debit card using PayPal and then go to the payments, and then you get the payments through your debit card, which is a MasterCard. So basically, you can either get a deposit from PayPal to Binance, and we can just go to PayPal, and then you will be needing to get your PayPal debit card, and you can simply do that through your application. So in your homepage, you will find either crypto or whatever, and you can first just go to PayPal and uh, let's just go here and simply you can click on PayPal debit card and you get your debit card, you apply for it, you add your information and then you accept and basically that's it. And of course, this feature or this debit card is only available in some countries, which is US and maybe some other countries, and make sure that you are eligible to get this card and then you can start using it doing your purchases. Otherwise, you can just go to a Binance alternative, which is not really recommended in case you trust in Binance and not uh, other services. And basically, there is this Bybit. You can go to P2P trading, and of course, it will be similar to Binance P2P. And then, as a payment method, you will be able to use PayPal. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.